Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter while working on their computers. The problem we'll be addressing today is the frustrating issue of losing essential files due to accidental deletion or corruption. So, if you've ever found yourself in a panic because you couldn't find an important document, this video is for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key to safeguarding your files and preventing data loss is by regularly creating backups. It's essential to have a reliable backup system in place to ensure that your files are safe and secure. By backing up your files consistently, you can have peace of mind knowing that you won't lose any critical data, no matter what happens to your device. The solution to the problem of lost files is simple. Backup, backup, backup. In addition to creating regular backups, it's also crucial to store your backup files in multiple locations. This redundancy ensures that even if one backup location fails, you'll still have other copies of your files available. Whether you choose to store your backups on an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or a combination of both, the key is to diversify your backup locations for maximum protection. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to safeguarding your important files. In summary, the solution to the problem of losing essential files is to establish a robust backup strategy by creating regular backups and storing them in multiple locations. By following these simple steps, you can protect your valuable data and avoid the stress of dealing with unexpected file loss. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite backup strategy joke, because, let's face it, we all need a laugh when it comes to data protection.